Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to send crypto from crypto.com to Revolut. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on crypto.com, you can use the link down there in the video description below so you can get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the crypto.com mobile application, you just need to go to your crypto wallet by clicking the three lines right here on the top left corner. And after you go to your crypto wallet, as you can see right here, you can just click transfer. So after you click in transfer, you just need to click withdraw. And after clicking withdraw, just click external wallet. So after clicking external wallet, as you can see, you need to add your Revolut wallet address right here. So if you want to add, just click add wallet address right here. And after clicking it, just select first a cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So for example, Bitcoin, I'm going to use Bitcoin. I need to choose the network, and right there I can just open my Revolut account and find my Bitcoin wallet address right there by searching the Bitcoins. And after I have my Revolut Bitcoin wallet address, I can just paste the wallet address right here, and name my wallet address if required, but I think it's not required. So I'm just going to put a random name right here. So for example, Revolut. And after that, after adding my wallet address, I can just click continue, and that wallet address will be automatically added as my withdrawal whitelist. And I can just click them and transfer some money to them or some crypto to them. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can transfer crypto from crypto.com to Revolut. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.